I got my back and licking, shooting, killing, blasting, piercing in the ring to the educating motherfucking one for the world to do that. With your head and not in your veal click. Come to fucking marijuana. I'm on the EO kill. The guns from yeah. Now test me part with my guy. I reply. These young niggas watch out. I'm so dope for me, like for me. I get my L's attention up for activating to the brain. What the fucking to the revolution social. I bust me how we got motherfucking won't and caught up in the bang, getting whore like dick of a heartless of a skull crusher, packing up my motherfucking off me glocks, ghetto niggas. My high mission on the spot. The air was law breaking motherfucking OG living. Motherfucker, conscious McCourse. Out the jail packs in the mother cornerback. Not a killer airways. I blew the hairways of weed. Motherfuckers straight up in the pussy hole. I was the pack of shit and bustin' on the law. Gotta go for gang banging niggas with me. Puffin' so much butt fucking motherfucking hell. You watching like a motherfucker. Hold on. Nancy traffic too sweet. Honey, motherfucker. I'm trying to think about spitting something. But you singing all in the song. Ain't you motherfucking hot? Your nasty thoughts. It's all up in my head. Ain't you motherfucker? I get it, folks. Enough bone, people forgive me, and I'm a sinner. May all my car bust the internet. Me plotting those ways, tricks to come with me. I sent my night gun, busting her mafioso trick, motherfucking busting, not a killer Eric off my team. Lord, must spies, motherfucking to they whereabouts. Off these motherfuckers, brain, they mad, motherfucker. Niggas from the face and lock, fuck the crew. Got my pistol, ideas, baby, hate this out your game, honey. How's your day? Got 106 organization, mafioso in the fingers to get motherfucker. And your hair movie get crushed, and I touch it up beautiful like a motherfucker on my dick, huh? I'm self-confident with the arrogance, but you gotta kill a player haters in the grave. I lost my faith in the Lord. Man, the finger fuck you got. I'm the sexy Mr. Nigga on every corner block. I'm the world most wanted. I'm sexual on a sexy fucking motherfuckers flow. My dick in some pussy, and my age of 40. Motherfucker, got in trouble, that in trouble. With your boobs out, sexualizing, bully, motherfuckers, be teased, provoking, antagonize, motherfuckers, come here late, teeth, mouth, and motherfuckers got a brush issue with their attitude, cause I won't go along with the homosexual gay pride. Ain't they bought the time, make the finger to your faggot, even mind motherfucking with my attitude reply for you motherfucking days to me. Got my piss, my ass, and do my dick, and work the rapid fire blast for that game, with the ass. Motherfucker, get the stuttering, get the rapping, slow down, blah, blah, blah. Talking to myself like I'm mental patient shit, I got a question, a clue, my piss. Fool, break all the rules, busting on the pound police and they chasing me and shit. I bleed and busting nut. I got my pistol, motherfucker, got my pistol. Should I shoot this bitch and blow? Watch out for the blow. Another blow. So many funky busters on my motherfucking name, Mr. Drama Trouble, motherfucking play haters in the grave when I get the rap so bad. Go down to the left, my pistol, motherfucker. What else they saying about your little OG slinging guns? Motherfucker on the cot to pull it. Bitch, we watch, we spot it. Pumping and you read from my pistol, shooting, licking, killing, motherfucking pump police, motherfucker. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting from the top. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting, my pistol, nigga. I'm pumping and you for your day, like my brush in the kid. I'm pumping and you read from my pistol, shooting, licking, killing, motherfucking pump police, motherfucker. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting from the top. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting, my pistol, nigga. I'm pumping and for your day, like my brush in the kid. I'm pumping and you read from my pistol, shooting, licking, killing, motherfucking pump police, motherfucker. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting from the top. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting, my pistol, nigga. I'm pumping and for your day, like my brush in the kid. I'm pumping and you read from my pistol, shooting, licking, killing, motherfucking pump police, motherfucker. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting from the top. I'm pumping and you read from my shooting, my pistol, nigga. I'm pumping and for your day, like my brush in the kid. Like a sexual craving, spiritual battle fighting motherfucker like Box Gears in the clip part 2. Man, the finger sent the word before it got uploaded. You not a killer, hell raiser, assassinate, eradicate your bitch ass motherfucker, nothing like the fender, and I get away from you with another phone. It's like a sexual, excited, spiritual fighting battle. Move your funk, I don't want you motherfucking Box Gears to know that. Motherfucker. Me pump penitentiary, incarcerated for life, another bone without a boat. I got my piss ready to bust on the pump. I'm pump penitentiary for the killer. Me to shoot the ball, brother. I'm caught penitentiary, incarcerated for life, another felony in fear. With my gat open bot, I'm ready for the ball purpose. My pistol, and plus on the police. I'm caught penitentiary, incarcerated for life. I got my pistol, the bus, without proposal. Watch out for the po-po, gun blah. Dick suck the lips, I beat my tongue. Come fuck my dick, the pump, I'ma kill you, bitch. And if you're a double mind, have to give me a vote. No, you hold niggas. That's the whoop on stool. My palm post, my bust like you. And your flesh. The rapper forever black for the hypocritical dumb ass motherfucker. What's up with it, motherfucking woman? Not good. Hair raise this motherfucker on down. I got my pistol. I got my pistol. I got my pistol. Man, the finger. See, every last one of you famous artists, late tees. We giving up all the right for the world. I got my new man, the finger. The guy can up my gun, blah. How many insult me for you hoe niggas? And you talk for my pistol, shooting at you motherfucking get it too. Me pump penitentiary, incarcerated for life. Another bone without a bow. I got my pistol, ready to bust on the pump. I'm pump penitentiary for the killing. For me, to shoot the ball, brother. I'm caught penitentiary, incarcerated for life, another felony in fear. With my gat open bot, I'm ready for the ball purpose. My pistol, and plus on the police. I'm caught penitentiary, incarcerated for life. I got my pistol, the bus, without proposal. Watch out for the po-po, gun blah. Me pump penitentiary, incarcerated for life. Another bone without proposal. I got my pistol, ready to bust on the pump. I'm pump penitentiary for the killing. For me, to shoot the ball, brother. I'm pump penitentiary, incarcerated for life, another felony in fear. With my gat open bot, I'm ready for the ball purpose. My pistol, and plus on the police. I'm pump penitentiary, incarcerated for life. I got my pistol, the bus, without proposal. Watch out for the po-po, gun blah. I got my back.